everyone.
This water from the sewer.
The city decided to open a giant fountain in the middle of the street to cool down the traffic.
Why is it going so fast?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh shit.
Just because of a little carelessness, he will have to face enormous losses in the future.
Parks itself?
It parks itself. And then that truck's gonna go into that truck.
Oh my god.
And that truck's gonna go into that.
Real-life car bowling on a snowy street, definitely not a game anyone wants to play. The utility pole fell right after the container truck left. Fortunately, no one was injured in this incident. Looks like Mother Nature is testing out a giant vacuum cleaner to tidy up around the mountain.
Вылазь, Эльдар! Пизда! Пиздец!
The car got stuck on the tracks and was crushed by the train. Fortunately, the man escaped safely just in time. The garbage truck took its Think Clean motto in the most literal, fiery way possible. What an ironic situation. The garbage truck unexpectedly becomes a shelter for the raccoon, which clings tightly to the truck as it moves surprisingly. The ceiling collapsed terrifically. Fortunately, no one was injured in this incident. What do you think about this scene? It is a miracle he narrowly escaped this bizarre accident. Do you agree with me? Or do you have other thoughts?
What the flip?
People go to the movies, but we go to watch a massive bonfire on the road. What a crazy day.
Middle of the road, dude. It's like a, oh man.
bridge is doing its morning yoga, but it might have stretched a little too far. An electric scooter catches fire indoors, a stark warning about the hidden dangers of lithium-ion batteries. A massive warehouse fire. Firefighters are bravely battling the intense blaze. Nature decided to join our construction crew, but I think its resume is a bit messy. Heart-stopping. Boulders crashed down like a storm, but fortunately the area below was completely clear. A truly haunting yet miraculous moment caught on camera.
Oh, it's about to fall.
Heavy rain split the road in two, creating a dangerous deep gap for anyone passing by.
Fuck, I hope this cunt loses his fucking toilet.
A trailer carrying portable toilets tips over, causing them to fall off and tumble down the road.
Yes, mate. Well done. Well done, Cobra. Wanker.
His carelessness has caused quite serious damage. It is a pity that things turned out this way. This dust devil is trying to give the whole parking lot a free car wash, but quite aggressively.
Да, Петр Алексеевич. Потом будет мне еще истерить и обижаться на меня.
Пускай. Ух ты ж, ничего себе! Ни хера себе, блин.
Кого?
Авария, блин, аж машина перед...
Oh no, I'm videoing it all. The whole tire's coming off. He's still driving, y'all.
This trucker is determined to keep going. Even with 3 wheels, nothing can stop him.
Okay, he's stopped. Maybe he's done now.
Hey, watch out.
That is the tornado right there. Look at that. Look at that tornado, dude.
This tornado is offering a free cleaning service, but it's a bit too aggressive and definitely not recommended for anyone.
It is just tearing stuff up.
Terrifying. Train smashes into car carrier. Do you think those inside survived? Share your thoughts in the comments now.
Зачем все это нужно? Вопрос имеется, и ответ на него имеется. Дело в том, что М5 в Москве стало как...
While others are skiing gracefully, he decided to take a shortcut directly into the snow for a cool landing.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Shit! Oh shit!
A tree suddenly fell onto the car in a terrifying moment. Let's pray that the people inside are safe and sound. This road was clearly tired of the daily grind and decided to go on a spontaneous backpacking trip, literally. The street suddenly turned into a river, but this delivery guy is determined to surf his way to deliver the order on time. The tree suddenly toppled over for no apparent reason, leaving behind a chaotic scene. What actually happened here? The strong flood washed away the bridge, heavily affecting residents' daily lives. Do you think so?
Yep.
Which moment surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.